Alright, I'm gonna make a quick video. We have a train here. We have a train. It looks like it might be stopped. I can't tell if it's stopped or not, but we're here in downtown Wartrace. You guys can see. We have a train. Here it comes. I thought it was stopped. Here it comes, I think. Yeah, it's getting closer. Yeah, it's getting closer to 100%. The crossing should be going off any second now. Should be. But the train's going so slow, it might take the crossing a while to go off. It's a very slow moving train, so I wonder if also it's very cold. It's awfully cold to be spring. It's awfully cold. I don't know why it's cold, even though it's springtime. Here it comes. There's the LEDs inside. Here goes the crossing. There could be, we might have a train meet. There could be a possible train meet here, because how slow this train's going. This is a cool shot right here. Alright. Yeah, it's a very slow mover. This train could be getting ready to stop. CSX 7384. And CSX 882. Yep. There we have it. There they go. CSX boxcar train, or CSX car train. I'm gonna keep watching behind us because there could be another train coming. Yeah, I think it's getting ready to stop. Yeah, he's getting ready to stop. How lucky is this? I wonder if he's getting ready to stop. I wonder. I mean, if only Jonas was here, that'd be nice. You can still see him back there. How cool is that? You can still see him all the way down there. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky. It's very cold out here, so sorry my hand's a little shaky. This train's probably gonna stop. I wouldn't doubt if it does stop. I don't think Yellow Road is going off yet. Yellow Road is a gated signal down there. I think it might be going off now. Oh, it's cold. You can look at the LEDs if they're going off. Yeah, I think Yellow Road was, yeah. Is that him? Or was that second train? I can't tell. I think it was him. You can still kind of see him down there. Unless that's not him. That's the second train coming. Could be. That could be a... I think there's a second train coming. Yeah, you have a second train coming. You have another one coming, I think. Yeah, you have another train coming. Here it comes. Yep. Is that? I can't tell. Is that a train or not? Or is that him? I can't. Or is that a train sitting down there? Oh, it's a train. Yep, it's another train. It's another train. Hope I don't run out of time here because I'm only have 40 minutes and 15 seconds on my phone. Hope I don't run out of time here. So I'm at 7 minutes right now, but I think, yeah, that's the second train, all right. It looked like it might be stopping. Oh, that's coming. I need to get up. I need to go to the tracks now. He's stopping. I think he's stopping. What is that? Here he comes. Wow, I was not expecting to catch anything today, but we'll catch train meat. Yep. Oh, that's a cool horn too. That's a very cool horn. It's stopping. There you go, it stopped. There we go. How lucky is this? It's GSX train meet. After this, I'll probably make an update video if the other train starts moving. Might turn my flashlight on in a minute. It's starting to get darker now. How? very awesome train here at Wartrace, Tennessee. The other train has stopped for good. I think it was DPU, maybe? No, I don't think so. I thought the light up that cart was DPU, but no, it wasn't. There could be a DPU in this train, I'm not 100% sure. At the end, I can't tell. That's loud. It's a long train. Very long train. Yeah, I'll give an update video of the second train starts moving. I think that's the end right there. I believe that's the end. Is it? No, it's not the end. Never mind. I can't tell. It's starting to get nighttime, so I can't tell where's the end and where's not the end. This might be the longest train I've ever filmed, to be honest. Yeah, this is officially the longest train I've ever filmed. This one's starting to pick up speed, I can tell. Yeah, this one's pick up speed now. That could be the end. almost the end, guys. This is the longest train I've ever seen in my life. There's the end of the train. There goes the other one. Here's the other one moving. Here comes, this one's moving now. This will be the longest you ever made. There goes the end of that one. And here goes this one. It's cold, so excuse the shakiness of the camera. I can see the I see the lights at Yellow Road going off. You can see the lights over there. I'm so glad I was able to come to wartrace today. So glad. I don't see the end yet. I don't think I can see the end. Can't tell. I can see the cars. I can see the cars inside there. I can see the cars with little tail lights inside there. So it's 100% confirmed a car train. And the other one's a random train. I can't really see the end yet. I'm trying to look so I can see the end, but I just can't. I'm gonna run out of time, to be honest. I'm only 20 minutes, 40 minutes. I only have 20 minutes left. Ooh. as hell. How did you guys know? It's like 40 to 39 degrees right now, so that's why I'm so cold. Ooh, that did not sound good at all. Wow. Ooh. That does not sound good. Dang. Dang. That sounds bad. I can't really see. That could be the end right there. That could be the end, I think. Yeah, there's the end. That's a very long, this is 22 minutes long. A 22-minute long video. Yep, there's the end. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Peace.